Hey, Anna.
Hi, Luwis. How are you today?
Honestly, I'm tired.
Oh no, what happened?
Nothing bad. Just, you know, same thing every day. Wake up, work, sleep. Wake up, work, sleep.
I understand. Sometimes routines feel heavy.
Yes, heavy. That's the word. Everything feels automatic, like a robot.
But you're not a robot, Luwis. You're human.
I know, but do you ever feel like this?
Of course. Everyone feels like this sometimes. It's normal.
Really?
Really. Actually, I felt the same way last week.
What did you do?
Well, I changed one small thing.
What thing?
My morning. I changed my morning routine.
How?
Before, I always wake up late. I rush to work. No time for breakfast. No time to think. Just stress.
That sounds difficult.
It was very difficult. So now, I wake up 30 minutes earlier.
30 minutes? That's hard.
At first, yes, very hard. But now, I feel better. I have time for coffee, time to sit.
Maybe I need to try this.
You can. Small changes help. What time do you usually wake up?
Me? I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 is good. Not too early, not too late.
But I don't want to wake up. I hate my alarm.
Everyone hates their alarm.
Do you?
Of course. When my alarm rings, I think, no, 5 more minutes.
Yes, exactly. 5 more minutes.
But then, 5 minutes become 10 minutes.
And 10 minutes become 20 minutes.
And then we're late.
This is my life every day.
Okay, so tell me, after you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I check my phone.
Your phone?
Yes, I look at messages, emails, social media.
Luwis, that's not good for you.
I know, but it's a habit.
Bad habits are hard to change.
Very hard. What do you do first?
Honestly, I check my phone too.
Anna, you just said it's not good.
I know. I'm not perfect. Nobody is perfect.
This makes me feel better.
Good. We're all learning. We're all trying. Even in English, right?
What do you mean?
Well, talking about daily routines in English is not easy. All these verbs, wake up, get up, brush, wash.
Yes, it's confusing. I always make mistakes.
Me too. But you know what helps me?
What?
Just talking. Like this. With you. Natural conversation.
Not grammar books?
Grammar books are okay, but real talking is better. When we talk about our real life, we remember the words.
That's true. I remember better when I use the words.
Exactly. And you know what? People listening to us right now, they're learning too.
Really?
Yes. They hear us making small mistakes. They hear us correcting each other. They hear real English, not textbook English.
That's nice. I like that.
That's why I love Daily English Flow. It's not stressful, no exams, no pressure, just flow.
Flow. Like water.
Exactly. English should flow naturally, not feel forced.
I agree. So, after you check your phone, what happens?
I make my bed.
Every day?
Every day. It's a small thing, but it makes me feel organized.
I never make my bed.
Never.
Well, sometimes. On weekends, maybe.
You should try. It only takes 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yes, 2 minutes. And then you feel good. You feel like you accomplished something.
Accomplished. That's a nice word.
It means you completed something. You did it.
Ah, I see. Okay, maybe I try tomorrow.
Good. Small steps. That's how we learn English too. Small steps every day.
Not everything at once.
No, not everything. Just a little bit. Every day, like a routine.
So routines can be good.
Yes, good routines help us. Bad routines, we need to change.
What's a bad routine?
Like checking your phone for 1 hour in the morning.
Ouch, you're talking about me.
I'm talking about me too. I do this sometimes, but I'm trying to stop.
How?
I put my phone in another room, far from my bed.
Does it work?
Sometimes, not always. Change is hard.
Change is very hard. But we can support each other, right?
Of course, that's what friends do. That's what this community does.
Community?
Yes, everyone listening to Daily English Flow. We're all learning together. We're all supporting each other.
I like that feeling. Not alone.
You're never alone, Lewis. Thousands of people are listening. They feel the same way.
Really?
Really. They wake up tired. They check their phones too much. They want to improve their English. They want to feel confident.
That's nice to know.
So, after you check your phone and you don't make your bed, what do?
I go to the bathroom.
Of course.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I fix my hair.
Yes, fix your hair. Or you can say, do your hair.
Do your hair. Okay, I do my hair.
How long does this take?
Maybe 15 minutes. I'm not fast in the morning.
That's okay. I'm not fast either. I take my time.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
No, I take a shower at night, before bed.
Really? Why?
I feel cleaner. I sleep better. What about you?
I take a shower in the morning. It wakes me up.
See? Everyone is different. There's no perfect routine, just what works for you.
That's good to remember. For English too, right?
Yes. Some people learn by listening. Some people learn by reading. Some people learn by speaking. All ways are good.
I learn by listening. Like this conversation.
Me too. I listen to podcasts when I cook, when I clean, when I walk.
You listen to English podcasts?
Yes, it helps so much. At first, I didn't understand everything, but slowly, I understand more.
That's how learning works. Slowly.
Exactly. Not fast, not perfect, just progress.
I like that word. Progress.
It's important. Progress is more important than perfection.
Can you say that again?
Progress is more important than perfection.
Yes. I need to remember this.
We all do. Okay, so after the bathroom, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, always. I'm very hungry in the morning.
What do you eat?
Usually toast with butter. And coffee. Always coffee.
How much coffee?
2 cups. Big cups.
That's a lot.
I need it. Without coffee, I can't think.
I understand. I drink tea every morning. Green tea.
Is it good?
Very good. It's healthy. And it gives me energy. Not like coffee, but gentle energy.
Gentle. That's a nice way to say it.
Thank you. English is full of nice words. We just need to discover them.
How do you discover new words?
By listening. By reading. By talking. Like now.
And when you don't understand a word?
I ask. Or I try to understand from context. Context means the other words around it.
Ah, yes. Like a puzzle.
Exactly like a puzzle. You put the pieces together.
Sometimes I feel frustrated when I don't understand.
That's normal, Lewis. Everyone feels frustrated sometimes.
Even you?
Even me. Last week, I tried to explain something in English. I couldn't find the right words. I felt stuck.
What did you do?
I took a breath. I tried again. I used simple words.
And it worked?
Yes. Simple is okay. Simple is good. We don't need to sound like professors.
That's true. Communication is the goal.
Exactly. If people understand you, that's success.
I need to remember this, too.
We all do. And you know, people listening right now, they need to remember too.
What should they remember?
That learning is personal. It's emotional. It's okay to feel tired sometimes. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to not be perfect.
Yes, because perfection doesn't exist.
Only progress exists.
Exactly. You're learning, Luwis.
We're all learning. Together.
I love that. Okay, so after breakfast, what do you do?
I get dressed. I choose my clothes.
Do you choose quickly?
No! I take a long time. I don't know what to wear.
Every day?
Every day. It's a problem.
Maybe you need to prepare the night before.
That's a good idea. Do you do this?
Sometimes, when I remember, but often I forget.
We're all human. We all forget.
Yes, and that's okay, as long as we try.
Try. That's the important word.
It is. In English learning, too. Just try. Don't worry about mistakes.
Easier said than done.
What does that mean?
It means it's easy to say, but hard to do.
Ah, that's a good expression. See? You're teaching me now.
Really?
Yes, we teach each other. That's beautiful.
It is. So, after I get dressed, I leave the house.
What time?
Usually around 8 o'clock, sometimes 8:15.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Every day?
Yes, the bus is cheap, and I can relax. I don't drive.
What do you do on the bus?
I look at my phone again.
Luwis,
I know. Bad habit.
what do you look at?
Social media, news. Sometimes I play games.
That's not learning time.
You're right. What should I do?
Maybe listen to something. A podcast. Music. Something useful.
Like Daily English Flow?
Exactly. Perfect for the bus. It's calm, it's easy to understand, no stress.
How long is the bus ride? About 30 minutes.
30 minutes is perfect for learning. You can listen to a full episode.
And I learn without feeling like I'm studying.
Exactly. Learning should feel natural, like breathing.
I like that idea. Learning like breathing.
It's the best way. When you enjoy it, you remember it.
True. When I'm stressed, I forget everything.
We all do. That's why Daily English Flow is different. No pressure, just conversation.
Just two friends talking.
Yes, and people listening feel like they're part of the conversation.
Are they? Part of our conversation?
Of course, they're with us right now. In their car. On the bus. At home. Cooking. Walking. They're here.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. We see you. We feel you.
How are your daily routines? Are they good? Are they bad? Are they automatic?
That's a good question for our listeners. Think about it. What's one thing in your morning routine you want to change?
Write it in the comments. We want to know.
Yes, share with us. Share with the community. Maybe someone has good advice.
Maybe we can help each other.
That's the goal. Help each other. Learn together.
So, we talked about morning. Wake up, bathroom, breakfast, get dressed, leave home.
We did. And you know what I noticed?
What?
You spoke so much English. Natural English.
I did?
Yes. You didn't think about grammar. You just talked.
Huh. You're right. I didn't notice.
That's the best learning. When you don't notice. When it feels natural.
Like flow.
Like flow. See? You understand now.
I think I do. Language is not about rules. It's about expression.
Beautiful, Luwis. It's about expressing yourself, your feelings, your life.
And everyone's life is different.
Exactly. That's why there's no perfect answer, no perfect routine, no perfect English.
Just your English. My English.
Our English. Learning English. Growing English.
I feel better now. Less tired.
See? Talking helps. Connecting helps.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, Luwis. And thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you. You're part of this.
You're part of Daily English Flow family.
We're all learning. We're all growing. Together.
And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real.
Real is better than perfect.
Always. So, if you enjoyed this conversation, if it helped you, if you felt something, please subscribe.
Subscribe to Daily English Flow. New episodes every week.
And leave a comment. Tell us about your routine. Tell us what you're learning. Tell us how you feel.
We read every comment. We care about you.
We do. Because this is not just a channel. It's a community.
A safe place to learn.
A calm place to grow.
No exams, no stress, just progress.
Just English. Natural English. Daily English.
Like flow.
Like flow. Okay, Luwis. Same time next week?
Yes, part 2 of Daily Routines. Afternoon and evening.
I can't wait.
Me too. See you next time, everyone.
See you. Keep learning. Keep trying. Keep being human.
Because that's all we can do.
And that's enough.
It's more than enough.
Bye for now.
Bye. Take care.